Hey there, professionals! Welcome back to ProEdge Strategies, where we unpack the tools and strategies you need to skyrocket your career. Today, we're delving deep into the world of emotional intelligence at the workplace. I'm intrigued. The statement certainly grabs attention. The idea that some people's swift ascent up the corporate ladder might be linked to something less tangible than technical skills or experience. Emotional intelligence, as the answer adds a fascinating layer. Are you ready to delve deeper into how this invisible force might propel someone in their career? I'm eager to hear your thoughts and explore this concept with you. I'm thrilled to be your guide on this journey. So grab your notepads because we're about to unravel the secrets to developing emotional intelligence at the workplace and uncover why it's an absolute game changer for your career. Decoding emotional intelligence. Let's kick things off by decoding the term itself. What is emotional intelligence, and why should it be on your radar in the fast-paced world of business? It's more than just a skill. It's the X factor that sets the best apart from the rest. Emotional intelligence involves understanding your emotions, empathizing with others, and navigating social situations with finesse. It's not just about being nice. It's about being smart with your emotions, a skill that's crucial for success in any career. The power of emotional intelligence in the workplace. Now let's talk about the real deal. Why emotional intelligence is a game changer in the workplace. Imagine this. You're leading a team through a challenging project. The ability to connect with your team members, understand their emotions, and navigate conflicts can make or break the success of that project. Forget dry data and endless spreadsheets. The real driver of productivity and success lies in cultivating emotional intelligence in the workplace. Studies unveil a powerful truth. Organizations saturated with emotional awareness boast not only stellar output, but also a thriving culture of positivity and inclusivity. It's the secret weapon for leaders who inspire, teams who collaborate seamlessly, and individuals who ascend the career ladder with grace and ease. So, are you ready to unlock the secret sauce and unleash the full potential of your team? Tools for developing emotional intelligence. All right, let's get practical. How do you develop emotional intelligence? We're talking about actionable tools that you can start using today to boost your EQ and enhance your career. From self-awareness exercises to practical empathy-building techniques, we're going to explore a toolkit that will elevate your emotional intelligence game. Because let's face it, technical skills might get you in the door, but emotional intelligence is what keeps you there and propels you forward. Mastering your emotions for career success. Now, for the grand finale, how to master your emotions for unparalleled career success. We're not just talking about controlling your feelings, we're talking about mastering them to become a force to be reckoned with in the corporate world. Stay with me, and we'll unravel the secrets of emotional mastery. Whether it's dealing with stress, maintaining focus, or navigating high-pressure situations, you'll be armed with the strategies you need to not just survive but thrive in the workplace. The secrets of emotional mastery lie in cultivating self-awareness, practicing self-regulation through mindful responses, fostering empathy for others, mastering effective communication, embracing adaptability, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, committing to continuous learning, and when necessary, seeking support for sustained personal growth and resilience. Forget just the technical smarts, professionals. Mastering emotional intelligence is the hidden key to navigating the human dynamics of today's competitive business world and unlocking your full potential. If you found value in today's video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your colleagues, and hit that subscribe button for more career-boosting content. Now go out there, apply these principles, and let me know in the comments how emotional intelligence has impacted your career journey. This is ProEdge Strategies. Keep leveling up, keep conquering, and until next time, stay emotionally intelligent.